Welcome to DJ's Prestige Sports. We've just had it into stock this absolutely gorgeous looking, very price range Jaguar XC 2 litre diesel R Sport. Honestly, the car looks half the miles, drives fantastic. It's got the full black pack on it. The black is absolutely gleaming. Rear privacy glass, got the black plaque all around the windows as well. Look, it's absolutely gleaming. It's got the rear park distance control, rear camera, full R Sport body styling, little lip spoiler there. But it is absolutely gleaming. It's in lovely condition, absolutely lovely. You can see it's all excellent condition in the boot. The leather interior is absolutely lovely there with the white stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. There's no wear on the seat at all there. It's done 115,293. You wouldn't think of it to look at it. Starts up absolutely superb. All the lights go on and off. Sounds quiet. It's got lane assist. We've got cruise control. Shut the door. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Reverse camera. Home page. Full sat-nav, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, whichever source you want, DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity on the radio, air conditioning, 3-stage heated seats, different driving modes. I know snow, eco, normal, dynamic. Aux and the USB. As I say, it's in fantastic condition. At DJH provide full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.